1. Stay positive and maintain a hopeful outlook. 2. Break big problems into smaller tasks. 3. Set clear, achievable goals. 4. Seek support from friends and family. 5. Develop a strong work ethic. 6. Embrace change as an opportunity. 7. Prioritize tasks based on importance. 8. Face challenges head-on, don't avoid them. 9. Stay flexible and adapt to new situations. 10. Seek inspiration from books or quotes. 11. Use positive affirmations to boost confidence. 12. Avoid procrastination, take action now. 13. Avoid procrastination, take action now. 14. Surround yourself with supportive people. 15. Practice deep breathing and stress management. 16. Be open to learning new things. 17. Keep a journal to track progress. 18. Find humor in challenging situations. 19. Take breaks to recharge your energy. 20. Visualize your success and goals. 21. Face fears and step out of your comfort zone. 22. Focus on what you can control. 23. Practice self-compassion and self-love. 24. Create a vision board for motivation. 25. Develop a routine for consistency. 26. Develop a positive self-image. 27. Practice active listening in conversations. 28. Learn to delegate tasks when overwhelmed. 29. Set boundaries with others. 30. Keep a sense of humor about yourself.